Okay, today we are going to draw a very simple illustration of a ladybug. So we'll get started here with some basic circles. Second one bigger than the other one. We're going to draw a line towards the bottom of this circle. And from here we're going to draw just some simple lines coming out. I'm going to do 6 of them because I have decided this ladybug will have 6 legs. Then we're just going to draw some little circles right here for feet. There we go. I'm going to do some eyes. We're going to make the eyes kind of big because it is a cool looking cartoon. Draw a mouth right here. A little smile. Couple of antennas coming out right here at the top. Little circles at the top of those. And there we go. We've got our ladybug all roughed in, and we are ready to start inking this little guy in. Start with the antennas. We'll get those done real quick. There we go. We'll get the head done right here. Follow that circle around. Let's get those eyes in. There we go. Remember, I always like to leave that little white dot in the middle. Gives those eyes a nice amount of depth. It also shows a little reflection of light. And let's get this smile in. And we're going to give him teeth, even though they don't really have teeth. But we're going to give him teeth just because this is our cartoon and we can do what we want. There we go. Now we're only going to follow this circle halfway around. We're going to break it at that line that we just drew. There we go. We're going to come down and do these feet. Just go over what you've already drawn, just detail it in a little bit better. Remember, when you're done, you can always erase the pencil lines. We're almost there. Hey, we got to draw some spots. Gotta have a ladybug with some spots. And we'll darken these in real quick. And there you have it. You got yourself a ladybug, pretty cute looking. All you gotta do is knock out those pencil lines with an eraser and you are done. You have a great day and we'll see you again.